Henry Moore was born on May 13, 1893 in New York City and graduated from Harvard University in 1915 with a degree in history. He earned an MD in biology from Columbia University's College of Physicians and Surgeons, where he developed an interest in psychology. Moore met Carl Jung in Zurich in 1925, an experience that profoundly influenced him and led him to pursue a career in psychology. Moore became an instructor at the Harvard Psychological Clinic, eventually becoming its director in 1937, focusing on personality and the unconscious. During World War II, Moore created the Thematic Apperception test and directed the Office of Strategic Service, assessing the psychological fitness of intellectual agents. After the war, Moore returned to Harvard, helped create the Psychological Clinic Annex in 1949, and became an emeritus professor in 1962. He died of pneumonia on June 23, 1988 at the age of 95. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss about Moore's theory of psychogenic needs. In 1938, Henry Moore came up with his theory of psychogenic needs. This theory describes personality as being the result of basic needs that are found mostly at the unconscious level. The two most basic type of needs are the primary needs and the secondary needs. Primary needs are biological needs like food, water, and oxygen. And the secondary needs are psychological needs, including the need to achieve, be nurtured, or be independent. Furthermore, Moore and his colleagues identified 27 needs that he claimed all people had. Though each person has different level of each need. The needs are first abasement, that is the need to accept punishment and surrender. Achievement, the need to succeed and be able to overcome obstacles. Acquisition or conservation, that is the need to attain possessions. Affiliation, that is the need to make friendship and relations. Aggression, the need to harm others. Autonomy, the need to remain strong and resist others. Blame avoidance, that is the need to obey rules and avoid blame. Construction, that is the need to create and build. Contrarian, that is the need to be unique. Counteraction, that is the need to defend one's honor. Defendance, that is the need to justify one's action. Deference, that is the need to serve or follow someone who is one's superior. Dominance or power, that is the need to lead other people and control. Exhibition, that is the need to draw attention. Exposition, that is the need to educate and give information. Harm avoidance, that is the need to avoid pain. Avoidance, that is the need to hide weakness and avoid shame or failure. Nurturance, that is the need to protect those that are helpless. Order, the need to organize, arrange, and be particular. Play, that is the need to have fun, relax, and relieve tension or stress. Recognition, that is the need to gain social status and approval by displaying one's achievement. Rejection, that is the need to reject others. Sentience, that is the need to enjoy sensuous experiences. Sex or erotic, the need to create and enjoy an erotic relationship. Stimulans, the need to emphasize with others. Succurrence, the need to obtain sympathy or protection. Understanding or cognizance, the need to ask questions, seek knowledge, analyze, and experience. Moore believed that each individual need was important, but that needs could also be interrelated, could support other needs, or could be in conflict with various other needs. According to Moore, the way these needs are displayed in our behavior is in part due to environmental factor, which Moore referred to as stresses. Now, the thematic apperception test. The Moore's thematic apperception test attempts to tap into the patient unconscious, evaluate patterns of thought, and reveal personality and emotional responses by showing a person various ambiguous but provocative picture and having them tell a story about what they see in the picture. The basic outline of the test is as follows. First of all, the participants have to look at the following picture for a few moments. These are some of the pictures of thematic apperception test. Based on the picture, instruct the participant to narrate a story and include what led to the event you see in this picture. What is happening at this exact moment? What are the characters in the picture thinking and feeling? What is the outcome of this story, etc. The actual test involves 31 pictures that feature men, women, children, figures of ambiguous gender, non-human figures, and one completely blank image. The stories are recorded and then analyzed for underlying attitudes, needs, and patterns of reaction. Two commonly used formal scoring methods include the Defense Mechanisms Manual, otherwise known as DMM, which assesses denial, projection, and identification, and the Social Cognition and Object Relations Scale, otherwise known as SCORS, which analyze different dimensions of the psyche in its environment. In 1943, Murray was commissioned by the Allied force to help them understand psychological makeup of Adolf Hitler. Murray concluded that Hitler's personality type was one of that held grudge, had the tendency to belittle, blame, and bully, did not have a high tolerance of criticism, could not take a joke, could not express gratitude, sought revenge, and was in high demand for attention. Murray also stated Hitler lacked qualities of a balanced personality and that he had extremely strong self-trust and self-will. Lastly, Murray correctly guessed that should Germany lose the war, Hitler would kill himself in a very dramatic way. And as a result, Murray feared that Hitler would become a martyr in the process. Henry Murray's work in psychogenic needs and understanding of personality was extremely important because he not only emphasized the unconscious but also biological factors. His thematic apperception test is still used to this day. Now try this.